Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and join the journey of saving money all 2022. So as you can tell by the title, today will be my first stuffing of April. So I will tell you guys everything once I go through my paycheck breakdown. But first, let's go ahead and get our money put into our money organizer. So how is everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing well. I didn't do a budget with me for this video. My last budget with me didn't do that well, and I also wasn't really comfortable with how I did my budget with me. So once I figure out a different way to maybe plan and have a more laid out, organized way, then maybe I will incorporate those more into my YouTube. But right now I'm just focusing on the actual cash stuffings. I really enjoy these and you all seem to enjoy them as well, so we will go ahead and hop right into this video. So on my screen here I have my paycheck breakdown. So my income total was $551, nothing extra, and then my total cash that I'm stuffing today is a total of $519. So that is what I have over here, and one of my cash envelopes will stay in the bank. I will get to that when we get to that specific envelope. So we're going to go ahead and move down here to daily funds, and that is in this envelope. I feel like I haven't stuffed this in forever, so let's go ahead and get started. So groceries is getting nothing. My personal fund is getting $15, so a 10 and a 5. So that has $15. Next is my son's personal fund. He is getting $10, and this $1 to $3 will roll over into his fund. So he has $13. And I am really going to try to be strict with my spending this time around. So I really just have to practice some self-discipline, because I have really been kind of going crazy with the spending. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and move to our fast food envelope. That is getting 30, so 20, 30. Next is gas. Gas is also getting 30, so 20 and 30. And then our last daily cash envelope is getting $5 in ones for give. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have change in this last pouch back here. It's just stuck and I don't know how to remove it. It's like sealed shut. So that is all for our daily cash binder. So we're gonna just put this to the side and finish filling in the tracker. So fast food has 30, gas has 30, and give has 5. Next, we're gonna go ahead and move over to our low priority sinking funds. All right, so our first envelope, like I said, is business. It's going to be getting $32, but it's not going to be in physical money. Next is my husband's fund. He will be getting $30. So a 20 and a 10. He now has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 115. So $115. Let's just update that here. Next is vacation. Vacation is getting $15. So 10 and a 5. Vacation now has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 15, 20. So $120. Next is date night. Date night is getting $20. So a 20. Date night now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. So $138 is now in date night. Okay, next is miscellaneous. Miscellaneous is also getting a $20 bill. Miscellaneous now has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30. $130. Next is memberships. Memberships is getting a $5 bill. Memberships now has 20, 30, 35, 40. $40. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and move over to our high priority sinking funds. First is our emergency fund. Our emergency fund is getting $20. So a 20. So 100, 150, 200, 50, 300, 20, 40, 50. So $350 is now in emergency. That is awesome. So I said 350, right? Yep, that's right. Next is our new place category. New place is getting $30, so a 20 and a 10. New place now has 100, 150, 200, 50, 300, 50, 400, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $500. Wow, that is insane. I think I say this every video, but it's literally so shocking, like so crazy to me that this envelope has $500 in it. It's crazy to me. Next is our car cash envelope. That is getting $20. So our car cash now has 100, 50, 200, 50, 300, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So $324 is now in car cash. Next is our health envelope. Health is not getting anything, but health has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 1, 2. So $102. Next is the anniversary envelope. Anniversary is getting $20. Anniversary now has 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So anniversary now has $120. Wedding is getting $10. Wedding now has 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 120, 130. $130. Next is holidays, also getting a $10 bill. And holidays now has 20, 40, 60, 80, and $90. And our last high priority envelope is our debt envelope, which is going to be getting $20. So debt now has 20, 40, 50, 55. Okay, so that is all for our low priority and high priority sinking funds. We will come back to this binder when we are finished with our challenges. So let's go ahead and put this over to the side. Next is our challenges. So our first challenge we will be starting off with is our $1 challenge. That will be getting $10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we'll just put this over to the side back here. Next is our $600 challenge. So I am not stuffing that this time around. We have $100 left to stuff in that. You could check out my previous video to see what is in that challenge. We are also skipping the 1K household challenge as well. So moving on to the 1K rainy day. That is getting $75. So we'll just scratch that off of this card. And then also we're going to go ahead and scratch off our $20 challenge too, just to get it out of the way. Okay, and we are done with these. So our 1K rainy day challenge is getting $75. So 50, 60, 70, 75, so 50, 60, 75 is going into the 1K challenge. And I like to organize my bills, so it'll just take a few seconds. And then we will just sit this envelope to the side as well. Next is our 100 envelope challenge. We will be filling in number 64. So we will cross that out on here. Put that back over there, and then let's go ahead and stuff $64. So 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and we'll just put this over here to the side. And our next challenge is the self-care challenge, which is getting $20. So a 20, and just put it in here and put this one to the side. And for our last challenge, which is in the back of our sinking funds binder, that will be getting $40. So get your marker, or let me get my marker and cross off 40. And the last two 20s, 20, 40, will be going in this challenge. Alright, and that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this cash stuffing. I am so excited to upload this video and get it out to you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the journey of saving money all 2022. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!